Hey there, it's Flatbread Friday, and we're gonna do something fun and easy today. We're gonna do a bacon, blue cheese, and cranberry flatbread, and let's get to it. I have one of these fun, long flatbreads that you can buy them at BJ's. You can probably buy them somewhere else too, but they're fun to work with, and that's what we're gonna build our flatbread out of. I'm preheating the oven to 400 degrees, and now we are going to assemble our flatbread. I made some roasted garlic this week, and this is what prompted this idea. We're gonna brush this guy with some of the oil from the roasted garlic. Give it a nice little touch of flavor. I'm gonna continue on until it's all topped off. Okay, I've got the oil on. Now we're gonna spread it around, down the sides, around the edges. We gotta get this edge away from the wood. Okay, ready for the next step. Shredded mozzarella cheese. Put it in a nice even layer. Our cheese is on. I'm doing this just on a paper because I'm preheating a dark sheet pan in the oven, so it cooks the bottom of this guy. They suggest that you put this right on the rack, but it makes a mess. So we're doing it that way. Next, we have 6 slices of cooked bacon. We're gonna cut these up. Cut them in half first, this way. And then we're gonna cut them in half this way. And go right down. And make some nice, good sized bacon crumbles. And we're gonna continue with all 6 pieces, and then we're gonna put it on our flatbread. Okay, our diced bacon is going on. I don't know if this is gonna be enough, but we have a few more slices to cut up if we need them. Separate them out. Actually, I guess it's gonna be. Our bacon is on, and it seems to be enough. Good amount. Next comes our Gorgonzola cheese. Okay, this is all crumbled. I kind of like a lot of blue cheese, especially with bacon. So we're gonna generously sprinkle this all around, because this is gonna be the contrast to our sweet cranberry topping. And it'll be smoky and tangy and sweet and cheesy all at the same time. So let's get the rest of this on. Okay, our blue cheese is on, and ooh, it's kind of heavy. Looking good. Now we're going in the oven on our hot sheet pan. Here we are on our hot sheet pan in the oven, and I'm gonna close the door. We're gonna cook it for 15 to 20 minutes, and let's see what she looks like when it comes out. I wanted to make homemade cranberry sauce for this flatbread, and I couldn't find any fresher frozen cranberries down here in the south. So what I did was I bought a can of whole berry cranberry sauce, and when I make cranberry sauce, I mix it with orange zest and orange juice to be the liquid for the cranberries, along with sugar and so forth. But so we're gonna puree this up with some orange juice and orange zest, and that's gonna be the drizzle topping for our flatbread. I pulled out the immersion blender and the container, and a piece of orange. First thing that's going in is the zest. go. Flying orange. I missed that spot. Whoa. And here comes the juice. Get rid of you. And get the rest of this off the bottom of here. Here's our sauce with our zest and our juice. Because it's canned, we didn't need that much. And now we're gonna puree it. Let's get this guy in here. Make sure all those cranberries are pureed up. Here's our pureed cranberry topping. Smooth and creamy and drizzleable. We're going to add this to a bag. Not exactly sure how, but let's see how that works. We can start it this way. When our pizza is done, or flatbread is done, we're gonna cut a hole in the corner and use this as a drizzler. And that'll be good. So let's see what the pizza looks like, what the flatbread looks like when it comes out. And then we'll decorate it up, and then we'll slice it and serve it and enjoy it. Our bacon and blue cheese flatbread is out of the oven. Crust is crispy, cheese is bubbly, smells fantastic. And now we're gonna do our drizzle. I'm a little nervous about the shape of this bag. I don't know how the corner is gonna come out. What I'm gonna do is put some Scotch tape over one of the sides so it only comes out one hole. And let's see how that works. Okay, here we go. It's dripping. Now it's pouring. I'm squeezing it a little harder. Get this corner over here. Okay, looking good. I had some scallions in the fridge, and just for a little color, we're gonna decorate this with some chopped up scallions. And it'll give it some oniony flavor as well. And we know that onions and bacon go well together. Gonna be nice. here we are up close. It almost looks like a Christmas pizza, but that's months away, so it's just gonna be a delicious pizza. Flatbread. A good way to cut these crusts, and as you know, most of my pizzas they're not wedges, but this one is gonna be. We're gonna start at the end. And then another wedge. And one more. Another. I don't know how this last piece is going to come out, but we'll see. A tiny little wedge. Okay, we are cut, and now we're going to transfer it to a plate and have a look and have a taste. Here we are on our plate, looking red and green and white and crunchy and crispy and smells amazing. Now we're going to give it a try. Thank you for joining me for this week's edition of Flatbread Friday. Here's our bacon, blue cheese, and cranberry flatbread, and now we're going in. That was a fun and yummy idea, and I'm gonna post the recipe on the website and the video on social media, and you can watch it and like it and maybe make this pizza or maybe not, but it was a good one to do, and we'll see you again soon.